o tanong ng marami eh. Kapag ba nag-donate ako ng pera lang, dapat pa ba i-report yan sa BIR Form 1800 or the donor's tax return? Ito na, kinlarify na para sa inyo. RMC number 10/2026 clarifying the tax treatment, documentation requirements, and the filing of return and payment of the donor's tax for donation consisting purely of cash. Yan, kwarta. Anong sabi dito? So, nilinaw lang dito, no, kailangan ba? Yung iba kasi ang tanong, may e-car ba pagka may donation ng cash? Kailangan pa ba ng e-car? Paano kung gagawin? Kailangan pa ba i-declare? Okay, first na tanong sagutin natin. Kailangan bang mag-file ng 1800 na BIR form at magbayad ng donor's tax kapag nag-donate ka ng cash? The answer, yes, kailangan po. Okay? So, mapapile kayo ng donor's tax return. Pwede nyo gawin yan EBIR, EFPS, okay, pwedeng online. And ang pagbabayad pwedeng maging manual through the authorized agent banks or electronically through the BIR e-payment channels like the PayMaya, the online banks, Mayeg, ayan, yan mga example. So, kailangan mag-file pa din at magbayad ng donor's tax. Now, what about the documentary requirement? So, sabi dito, the following shall be submitted within 30 days after the date of the gift is made or completed. Kanino mo dadalhin? Sasabit mo yan sa RDO na merong jurisdiction over the residence of the donor kung yan ay tao, or kung yan ay hindi tao, so non-individual, sa kung saan siya naka-register. Or kung siya ay large taxpayer, pupunta ka sa large taxpayer division kung saan registered yung donor. Okay? Ano-ano yung mga requirement? Andyan yung dapat meron kang notarized deed of donation. Pangalawa, proof of cash transfer. Example, validated deposit slip, fund transfer confirmation, official receipt. Next, kailangan yung proof of filing ng donor's tax return, yung BIR form 1800. Next, proof of payment of donor's tax if applicable. And then, the certificate of donation for, ito yung para sa mga tax exempt donee. Okay? And then, the valid government issued IDs or board resolution o secretary certificate. And the TIN, of course, of the donor and the donee. And in addition, sa mga donation ng mga accredited donee institution under Section 34H, yan yung charitable and other contribution na kiniklaim natin as tax deduction. So to support this claim, kailangan nyo rin masecure syempre yung PCNC accreditation copy ng donee. Okay? So itong mga ano ng PCNC, basically they are exempt, di ba, from donor's tax. Okay. And then, e-car requirement. Kailangan pa ba ng e-car? The answer is clearly no. Hindi mo po kailangan. Kasi ang cash daw ay hindi naman registrable property tulad ng lupa, building o sasakyan na requiring transfer of title under any government registry. Okay? So, malinaw na. Nasagot na ang katanungan. Kailangan pa bang mag-file? Kailangan. Kailangan pa bang magbayad? Kailangan. Paano kung hindi mo ginawa? Pag na-audit ka at nakita yan, lagot ka. Hahanapin syempre yung report. Simple lang naman ang sagot, di ba? Alright.